Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, Medical Officer of Health for York Region. Today, I'm pleased to share York Region is making outstanding progress in administering COVID-19 vaccines. Nearly 70% of our adult population has now received at least one dose. Last week, we opened vaccine appointments to all York Region residents aged 18 and older living or working in York Region, and to youth 12 years of age or older living, working, or going to school in York Region. In addition, we are continuing with targeted strategies, including mobile clinics at workplaces and pop-up clinics to increase accessibility to vaccines. There has been much discussion surrounding second doses, especially for those who received AstraZeneca as their first dose. The Government of Ontario announced they will be proceeding with second dose administration of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, beginning with those who received their first dose between March 10th and March 19th. Starting this week, eligible residents can contact the pharmacy or primary care provider who administer their first doses to book an appointment. For individuals who do not wish to receive AstraZeneca at this time as their second dose, the province will provide further guidance in the near future. Likewise, for those that wish to receive an mRNA vaccine as their second dose, the province will provide guidance in June. We thank all York Region residents who have made the decision to get vaccinated and encourage those who have yet to book an appointment to do so by visiting york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. While our vaccination rates continue to increase and our case counts are on a downward trend, we must continue to stay the course by adhering to the provincial stay-at-home order and following public health guidelines, as we do not want to reverse any of the progress we have made. The Government of Ontario has released its three-step plan to reopen safely and cautiously, gradually lifting public health measures based on the province-wide vaccination rate and public health and healthcare indicators. To enter into step 1, 60% of adults must be vaccinated with one dose. This step will focus on resuming outdoor activities with smaller crowds and permitting retail with restrictions, allowing gatherings of up to 10 people, outdoor dining with 4 people per table, and non-essential retail to operate at 15% capacity. Ontario could enter step 1 by mid-June if current trends continue, meaning we all have a role to play when it comes to how quickly we can safely reopen. Step 2 requires 70% of adults vaccinated with one dose and 20% with two doses. And step 3 requires 70 to 80% with one dose and 25% with two doses. However, the province will remain in each step for 21 days to evaluate the impact before moving to the next step. While some outdoor recreation facilities have already reopened and outdoor gatherings of 5 people are being permitted, we must continue to maintain physical distancing, not mix with those outside of your household, wear a mask, stay home as much as possible, and wash your hands often. This continues to apply even if you have been vaccinated for now. Stay safe, stay vigilant, stay informed, and get vaccinated. Thank you.